Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another exciting episode of the USTM podcast, where we connect, learn, and grow with some of the best minds of our university at USTM. I am Meghna Sharma.
And I am Anindita. Today's episode is dedicated to something that shapes the future of the nation, and that is engineering and technology. Yes, there is something very new in the system which we will explore today, and so we are really very excited to dive into this episode.
That's right, Anindita. With the National Education Policy 2020, education in engineering is seeing such a transformational change with new syllabus, overall holistic development, and better career support. We have been receiving tons of queries from students who are confused about which program to choose from the Department of Engineering and Technology and about the various job opportunities, career paths, and the internship opportunities as well.
And to answer all this and more, today we have with us the best academic minds from the Department of Engineering and Technology, and they are the head of the Department of Engineering and Technology, Professor Pritam Kumar Pathak sir, and the two other senior faculties from the department, and they are Karjan Basumutary sir from CSE and Jainul Abudin sir from Artificial Intelligence.
So, our entire podcast will be divided into three segments, and the first segment is all about insightful conversations with no time limit and some real talk.
Welcome to the show, sir. We are really very happy to have you with us today.
Thank you.
So, we can't wait to dive into this special episode today. So, let's get started. So, can we start the segment, sir?
Sure.
Okay, thank you, sir.
The first question goes to Dr. Pathak sir, and it goes like, with NEP 2020 being implemented, what are the major changes in the engineering syllabus at the USTM? And how will it be helping the students become more industry ready?
NEP 2020, it was a policy statement. It means directly it did not say that you do like this. It kept some general guidelines. Engineering education is regulated by AICTE, All India Council of Technical Education. So AICTE took some time to exactly incorporate all the major aspects of the NEP. Those are in general terms about in multidisciplinary learning process, education, multidisciplinary education, flexibility in education, student-centric education, industry-oriented education, major changes are there, and also technology-based education.
Yes.
So accordingly, AICT did some exercise, and AICT covers many programs. You see diverse programs: civil, mechanical, electrical, CSE, then AI, data science is there. New branches are there. So every program requires some specific type of recommendations. So therefore, AICT more or less it gives some broad guidelines that you should be like this.
Yes.
So as per that, regarding multidisciplinary education, it says that you provide the minor courses. Minor course means, I give you an example. Suppose a student is in civil engineering.
Okay.
And the students have the interest in computer science also, and in robotics also, or in artificial intelligence. And the university should be able to give that opportunity to student.
Yes, sir.
That means a student taking admission in civil engineering
Yes, sir.
should get the scope of learning artificial intelligence as a minor course
Okay.
in the university. And fortunately, USTM is a very rich university, you see. So we are providing that.
Yes, sir.
That will come later. Similarly, a student from computer science is interested in a part of automation and robotics. Mechanical will provide that. So these type of things are there. That is the first part about flexibility and like this. So because so many things were coming in the different programs, ultimately everything culminated as a model curriculum by AICTE. For example, for civil engineering, I tell you, modern curriculum was given in 2024.
Okay.
So it started in 2020, but AICT came out with a NEP model curriculum in 2024. So our university immediately adopted that. And even our university or all university has some norms how to prepare their curriculum. The steps are there. First, depending on the general guidelines of the AICT and model curriculum, the programs, the faculty of the program and other industry partners and others, they together create a draft syllabus. That syllabus goes to that the departmental committee will do that. After that, it goes to Board of Studies. Board of Studies is a very there are members from diverse fields and from different institutes. Fortunately, USTM has very good type with very good institution. With so for example, Tezu University, Guwahati University, then also IIT Guwahati. So in our case, what happened, because our Board of Studies are mostly from professors of IIT Guwahati and also from Tezu University, Nehu also. So what we did, they advised us, you study these things, you exercise should be done very carefully. And in fact, we had a very, very elaborate discussion on this NEP recommendations and AICT 2024 whatever syllabus, model syllabus, and we concluded that we came with a draft of syllabus or curriculum incorporating all the major recommendations of the AICT, taking the basis of the NEP. I am very happy to say about that. All the major recommendations we have been able to accept or adopt because of we have resources. You see, USTM is a very, as I said, all the branches are, all the departments are there. You need psychology, you need biology, you need law, whatever is required, it is there. Therefore, we are very fortunate to have it. And accordingly, we have prepared a syllabus. And the Board of Studies is very happy about that you have everything here. So accordingly, we have prepared the curriculum for all the 6 streams. We have programs, we call them nowadays, we call programs. Civil engineering program, mechanical engineering program, electrical and electronics engineering program, then computer science engineering program, artificial intelligence program, and data science program. The last 2 programs actually we introduced 2 years back. It was as per advice of our previous, actually our mentor and university advisor, Dr. G.P. Agarwal sir. He was the former chairman of EGC. We had an interaction with sir and he said that you introduce these things, it is necessary. Way back, we started then only, but now it is very much formalized after this BOS recommendations. So all these programs, we have all the required things are there. First thing is, as I said, that students wanting multidisciplinary approach, yes. And civil student itself is going to learn the artificial intelligence. We have provided that. Second part is honors part. AICT has recommended that if a student during their course of studies in BTech, they will have around 160 credits or like this, they have to earn for general BTech degree. But if they earn more than that 18 credits extra from outside sources, you may say MOOCs or massive online open courses that is there from MOOCs or from other different that type of SWAYAM or it is under MOOCs only, then they may be given the honors degree. That means BTech in computer science engineering with honors in particular track.
Okay, sir.
For example, CSE is giving honors in
data science and artificial
intelligence.
So that will make it more flexible.
Yes, it is within the department. The student is hardworking. He can get the honors.
Yes, sir. And sir, what will you like to tell about the curriculum revision? Sir, will there be any
you
revision?
see, it is Yes, AICT is given an NEP also continuous curricular revision.
Yes, sir.
You will not necessarily wait for some cycle, 4 years, 5 years. New things are coming.
Okay, sir.
The continuous revision system is with us. We do it. We are doing it actually. We started 2023 syllabus. Then honors concept was not clear here. Now it is clear. Now we have introduced.
Okay, sir.
For those students already in 2023, that means fifth semester nowadays, they have been given chance to go for honors. If you are
Okay,
hardworking, you can go. And they are opting also. I am very happy with that. They are opting for that. They are very happy. And another important point is there, that is exit course.
Okay, sir.
Exit courses, it is also from the multiple entry, multiple exit is NEP, a very primary fact, or very important recommendation. So earlier it was a little bit tough for universities to determine or decide independently that what to do about exit course, because if you give a certificate, that has to be adopted by the whole nation.
Yes,
in industry. Now AICT is coming out with a guideline that if you in the first year student completes some extra credits, okay, exit course they have given, AICT has given, you do the normal course, and suppose you want to leave or you want to go somewhere else, or you cannot pursue because of some personal reasons, many financial, so many reasons, your year will be lost. You will be completing this, university will help, and you will get an exit. In the first year you get a certificate for civil engineering certificate like this. Second in the year you will be getting a diploma.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Third year there is a vocational degree, BTech degree. And fourth year, no exit, you are simple BTech degree. So all these are all these facilities are available with the USTM. I don't think not many universities can do that here.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes.
Sir, with these exit courses, sir, will they be eligible for doing jobs?
Yes, that was the nation-wise question.
Yes, sir.
I give a certificate, if nobody recognizes, what will be happening?
Yes.
No, AICT has made it uniform.
Okay,
It
sir.
is guidelines are given. Actually, it is published. There is a model curriculum. It is given there.
Okay, sir.
You study the general course, and if you want to go out, you earn extra credits.
Yes. Okay, sir.
But that extra credit you cannot earn yourself. You must start getting from MOOCs or the whatever lab or skill requirement is there. At certificate level, you require some definite skills.
Yes.
Your university should provide it.
Yes, sir.
We are going to provide it without any extra cost. We do not want to student to lose 1 year because of some indecision or because of some particular constraints or like this. This we are providing. So that means a student coming to USTM, they can come happily. 1 year complete, I get exit, go to IIT or go to some job, or I will come back again, I will pursue some other music course. Okay,
Yes, sir.
that is what is government is giving, we are giving also.
Yes.
So we are at par with I may say not many universities in India till now has come up to that level, and we are very grateful to our advisors, very respected advisors from the IIT Guwahati. They came, all these teachers came, senior professors came. They said for sitting together, going very thoroughly for the interest of our students, for our region, and for the country. This has given, and I am also very happy that our management has adopted everything. It will be costly, but cost does not matter as long as
Yes.
students' interest is there. Our management is always like that. So that is about implementation. And second part, I will not take much time. Second part is about industry.
Yes.
And yes, kindly repeat.
Students are, if they are industry ready after completion of the courses.
Yes, see, industry remains, you must have a skill
Yes.
which industry wants. Second thing, you must be able to adopt whatever new things is coming,
Yes, sir.
whatever you have already acquired, and with that you cannot run. You said that mindset should be like that your training should be like that. You can acquire new things. Okay. Third thing, that you know the industry. You go, industry knows, and you know the industry. Okay. The first part, that skill is. So that will be their course is always their course. The course gives you. because curriculum is designed like that. You will be doing that, it incorporates everything. Your internship is there, as I said, 6 months internship compulsory, and it is there in our syllabus curriculum. Then our engineering itself is a application oriented study. This is therefore they learn it. Secondly, if they want to go to that is industry wants to go there, or we want to know that, we have very good training and placement cell, and we have tie up with almost all the major industrial houses, and they have campus interviews here. Students have been, now this trend is increasing, student is getting more jobs there. They now know what the industry wants. Okay, learning new things like this. You see, NEP itself has given, it is student-centric learning. You are given MOOCs. If you want to know some particular course or like this, suppose students may learn about calligraphy. A civil engineering student, and calligraphy is about writing good handwriting like this, and this is required in design. Thinking process is necessary, and these things are in syllabus, or one subject is there, design thinking, totally new course, design thinking and idea lab. We have adopted those things, and as far as whatever the basic objective of NEP and whatever the nation wants, I think university, USTM, the leading university of the country, has been able to grasp it and pursuing it, I think.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, it was such an insightful answer. So my next question goes to Jainul, sir. Sir, USTM focuses on the academic development of students. Sir, could you explain how Engineering and Technology Department is working towards this goal?
Basically, when we talk about academic development, we talk about the subjects, the courses that students take. We ensure that students get to learn everything, every nook and corner of the syllabus. It is, we have a team that looks after the syllabus completion. Especially, there is a team which takes the lesson plans. So we ensure that students get entire knowledge of that particular course. That is one thing that is done. And there is also one, you can say, best practice we can say. There are certain tutorial classes. Suppose in the regular class, if student is not able to understand, they can directly communicate with the faculty. And faculty, whenever there is a free slot or during the break time, or we put some slots in the schedule, so they can go to the tutorial class, and there a very small group of students will be there, and where faculty give more emphasis on the topics which are not understood by the students during the class hours. These are in terms of, we can say, the courses that has been given to them. And in terms of labs, if you see engineering and technology, the more part is the lab only. So we ensure that they get the better lab facilities. And we also ensure that the proportion of students and the machines and the computer system that we have is 1-to-1. So every student gets one system, so that they can do their practices, they can do their programs, they can do their experiments and get the results. And we give enough time so that they can do their projects, their experiments. So they have enough time. For example, one lab slot is of 3 hours. And it is not that we leave the students and lab only. There is faculties are there, lab attendants are there. So they get enough importance, or you can say supervision by the faculties and by the lab assistants. So in this regard, if it is practical or theory classes, so these are the practices that has been regularly taken. Apart from this, there are certain lectures by the eminent professors from the Institute of Eminence or Institute of Importance. So we used to conduct such kind of classes regularly, maybe in an interval of 2 weeks, 1 week, like that. And that too also on the emerging areas. Every engineering section, every engineering programs, they have certain emerging areas as per the national education policy. So we try to do in this way that students are not left out. They should know what is the latest trend in the industry, what is the latest subjects being taken. And it is not only by the eminent professors, but sometimes we also invite the industry persons. If possible, we invite them in the campus. If not possible, we conduct the online sessions. So these are certain things that we do for the students, so that they get the entire academic requirement which is needed for them to understand. So that these are the things that we do. At the same time, suppose if you talk about a course, it is very simple that when we run a course, there are small things. For example, we take quiz. weekly quizzes are there that we can say understand how much they are getting the course, whether they are understanding or not, if there is any gap or not. Using those quiz we can easily figure out, and from there we can see, okay, this particular students they need tutorial classes. This all things we try. And apart from this, it is I think it is done by all the departments, that there is an internal test is there, 3 tests we conduct. So these 3 tests they mold the students for the end semester examination. Apart from this, we also suggest students to go through the MOOC courses. It is already there in the curriculum, but then also suppose I am taking one course, I suggest my students that you go to SWAYAM portal and then you study this course also. Along with my teaching, you also go through the teaching, whatever materials are there. Then these materials, most of the materials are prepared by IITs on. So when they go through my teaching and the portal, whatever lectures are there online, whatever materials are there online, it is in line. That means what I am teaching, what is being taught by other faculties, it is in line with the requirement. So in that way, they get the entire whatever is needed to learn in the academics, that is done. So these are some of the practices that we adopt in terms of academic development. And suppose if a student gets, let's suppose these are the worst cases we can say. For example, one back paper is there. In such cases, we take special classes. Sometimes special exams are also conducted, so that we try that students they clear their course successfully. There should not be any gap.
So both internal and external exams are
Yes, both internal, external. At whatever the, let's suppose if there is more work is needed, then we give time. They prepare themselves, and after that they come with the exams. So that way we try to help our students academically. And regarding books and all, our library is well equipped with books. Our department is well equipped with the, you can say, finest faculties of the Northeast India we have. So students, they don't have to go and buy books. We have e-books are also there. We have entire the course, whatever course we have, the full books are available. Be it reference book, be it is textbook, everything is there. So, and apart from this, faculties also advise some study materials which are not in the, let's suppose if it is not in the course also, we give some links, some article papers, some journal papers, they go through those also. So these are some of the practices that we adopt in our academics, so that students can get more knowledge, and their knowledge is full. That is what we plan.
Thank you, sir. Now we will move on to the next question, and my question goes to you, sir. Sir, in terms of employability, what special efforts or training does your department offer to improve students' technical and soft skills?
Exactly. This is the one of the most important for the student as well as for the guardians. After doing engineering, what they will do. Regarding that, especially our department, we have been providing soft skill training, and that soft skill training we have been providing from the 3rd semester onwards. In every semester, we have been training different skills. Suppose take an example, in 3rd semester, if we are giving soft skill training, in the next semester, in the 4th semester onwards, we are providing expert in different domains. Suppose it may be Java, or it may be Python, or it may be related to the industrial oriented program. So generally what happens, there is a huge gap between industry and university, or you can say that to the institute. To fill that gap, we always invite some expert from the industry and to teach our students. And our students are already getting those opportunities from the last of many years. So I individually involved with this training and placement, and I have been looking it. And I am having experience how to deal with students as well as to the organization. And we have been inviting many experts, not only from the industry as well as from the academic sectors like IIT, NITs, and many CEOs, MDs, managers to train our students and to keep introduction as well as to give knowledge what will be the role of the students after graduating as an engineers. Generally, an engineering students, certainly they will be learning inside of the classroom, but those learnings are not enough as far as the industry. To get those knowledges, so our university, as I have said, already we are providing all these trainings. In that way, we have been helping to the society, and our students, they are getting very good jobs, they are getting very good salaries in MNCs, and we are having experience that our many students, they are getting good jobs in abroad also. So our Jainul sir, as he has already said, as well as our Dr. P.K. Pathak sir, he also already elaborated how our curriculum has been designed. And our curriculum has been designed in such a way that it is industrial oriented. As NEP 2020, they have suggested us to develop a syllabus which is known to be here now a updated syllabus. And this syllabus sir has already said, and we have already incorporated all those subjects. And still, if there is something is required as per this the present need, such as semiconductor, sir has already mentioned it. So semiconductor, everybody knows it. So by next 2 to 3 years, so it will become a very, very booming sector. So in our Assam itself, we are having one industry developing in the Zagirat. So our parents should know about it, and I think our students also, they have need to learn what exactly the semiconductors and what is the use of it. So generally the semiconductor, that is very important part and parcel of today's era. Today is the artificial intelligence era, everybody knows it. So whenever we are taking any kind of the mobile phone, so it may be if we are watching any movie on theater, so all are developed by the AI. So for that AI only, this semiconductor is one of the main part. So our student or the upcoming student should know and should need to take these courses so that they can easily get the job in future. Thank you.
Sir, will you like to highlight some of the soft skills that are provided here?
Soft skills, yes, certainly. Whenever a student want to get a job, first and most important thing is that the personality development. So certainly the student has need to know how to talk, how to give interview. Along with that, what are the technical skills are required. For every corporates or for every jobs, there will be 2-3 rounds will be there. The first round will be the introductory round. Certainly they will be asking you, who are you, why you want to get a job. So after that only there will be technical round will be there. So certainly the organization, the company, they will be checking you whether you are able to get that particular job or not. And after that there will be an HR round. So all these things we have been giving training to the students through the mock tests and all. So I must give heartiest thanks to our TNP cell also. So they have been looking and they have been supporting the engineering department.
Thank you, sir. My next question goes to Jainul sir. Sir, can you tell us how the students are supported and guided for the national level exams like the GATE exams, the NET, UPSC? Sir, is there any coaching available or any kind of mentorship that is available?
Thank you, ma'am, for the question. In terms of national level examinations such as GATE, NET and UPSC exams, USTM has a dedicated cell for competitive examination. They have a cell. Here we have a cell. There is competent faculty members are there. And they take extra classes, especially after the class hours, 4 to 6. There is a regular classes for the students to prepare themselves for national level exams. In terms of engineering and technology, GATE is some exam where especially engineering students, they opt for these exams, especially if they want to study in IITs, IISc. So GATE is one of the entry exams. So here what we do, since after BTech, most of the students they go for jobs only. So it is a very less number of students they go for GATE exam. Even if they go for GATE exam, they appear this exam as an entry to industry, not entry to higher studies. So when it comes to GATE exam, we try to figure out students from the 5th semester onwards. Because 5th semester, 6th semester, these are the subjects which are being asked in the GATE, what called GATE exams. So what we do from 5th semester, we try to figure out the students, those who are interested in GATE exams. So we segregate GATE students, UPSC students, like that with NET students. So it is being divided. So now GATE students, if we have a group of students, they are preparing for GATE exams. In such cases, we invite faculty members from different institutions, and we give them extra classes for learning these subjects. These subjects are being taught in the UG level itself, but when it comes to entrance, there is some special requirements. For example, time requirement is there. Any entrance exam, you see, the questions are known to you, but what is the problem is the time management. So the most important thing is that they are being taught how to manage their time to answer these questions. There are plenty of questions, 100 questions will be there, and limited time will be there. So how much time they have to invest for which question, this all things are being trained. Because conceptual education, conceptual knowledge is given throughout the UG course itself. If something is left out, for that we give extra classes. And to train them for the entrance exams, the faculties, experts, they come from industry, they come from other institutions. And one more thing too, I would like to inform that most of our faculties, engineering and technology faculties, they are GATE qualified. So our faculties, they have the idea of GATE exams. So when we take the classes, we ensure that we give the entire, that whatever concepts are required for these exams, we try to put in the regular classes itself. So this is how we plan it. And the cell that we have in the USTM, they are very much focused on UPSC, and they're also focused on NET, because you see this time, the results that has come for July, it is around 46 plus students they have cleared NET qualified. So it is a very, if you see as a private institution, we are the biggest, we are the institution that is providing number of NET qualified students every time. Not only one cycle, every cycle you can see 60, 70, 80, 100 like that. In terms of GATE also, though we are a very small family if you talk about engineering and technology, so every time we are having, let's suppose 10 to 15 students, they clear GATE exam. So this, and one more thing, one very special initiative is taken to encourage students to opt for GATE and NET and UPSC. There are payback policies for students, those who complete NET, they crack NET exams. And similarly for GATE also there is some kind of reward in terms of cash. And for UPSC also there are certain rewards. So in this way students, they are motivated to take this kind of exams. So these are some of the you can say initiatives that is taken by the USTM and by the department.
Thank you, sir. I'm very proud of our students for such good achievements. I look forward for such news in the future as well. My next question goes to you, sir. Sir, internship has been made compulsory by the AICTE and USTM also emphasizes it. Why is internship so important in engineering?
Thank you, ma'am, for the question. The internship, it is compulsory, or you can say important, because AICTE is one organization that is a statutory body and that recognizes most of the technical education, and they have made it compulsory. There are plenty of reasons. I'm just putting one of the reasons out here. It is very simple. Suppose we are teaching, we are trying to give technical products, or technical graduates are passing out from this institute, from this university, and they have to work for the industry. And this engineering and technology is one branch or department where they have to work in the society, they have to work with the machines, they have to work with the people. In that case, we have to ensure that we are sending the graduate with proper knowledge, right? Now, university is doing their job, department is doing their job to access whether they, for the assessment, let's suppose I want to assess my student is doing the properly or not. For that I have to conduct exams. Now similarly, this assessment can also be done by the industry while they are in the institute in form of internships. In internship, what is happening? They are given some work, they will do the project, they will complete it, they will give the output. In that way, whatever they learn in the campus and whatever they learn in the industry, it is in line. They get some output, they get some certificates. This is a validation that whatever we are teaching is going in the correct way. And this is beneficial not only for the students, for the institute also. At some point of time, see, we are with the institution for, let's suppose, working for 10 years, 12 years, 13 years. Now what happens, every time industry changes, there is a change every year in the industry, every domain, be it civil, be it mechanical or CSE or AI or electrical, there is changes. Now to cope up with these changes, internships are very much required. Even if AICTE makes it compulsory or not, but we should, as a technical institute, we should allow our students to go to industry, learn skills, test their skills and come back with the knowledge. So it is very much important. So to cope up with the changes which is coming up in the industry every year, nowadays, so you can say every month also. So especially in terms of computer science, so every 6 months there is a change. To cope up with these changes, our students, they have to work in the industry before they go out and enroll as an employee. So it is very much important that internships must be given. So this is one of the valid reasons which I think every institution, they should send their students for internship. I'm talking about technical education, but it should be applied for other educations also, other courses also. So in technical education, it is very much important because our students, they have to work in very critical industries, which are very much important. So that's why what called internships are very much needed. And
Sir, after which semesters are the internships provided?
internships, as per AICTE, that students, they have to go through 6 months of internship. Actually, there is no such tenure, but then also we assume it as a 6 month. And in our curriculum, what we have done is that we are allowing our students to go for internship from 3rd semester. Instead of going for whole 6 months together, what we are doing is that we are allowing our students to go through, let's suppose after completion of 2nd sem, 3rd sem, they can go for internship. Then after completion of 5th sem, because every, you can say, let's suppose 3rd sem, 5th sem, 7th sem, after completion of 3rd sem, they are getting some of the courses from the department and they are getting some of the courses from the basic science. So with this knowledge, what work they can do, we try to figure out those industry, maybe academics, maybe academia, maybe industry. They work there. After 5th semester, they earn some skills from the department. They need to be tested. So that way we plan. So it is not that at a stretch we are completing it. Yeah, for example, now 2 of our students are 3rd semester. They are doing internship in NIT Silchar under a professor. They are working on AI machine, they are working on there. So like that, some students, they do by themselves also. It is, for example, last semester, 5th semester students, they did their internship in IOCL. Like that, some students, they come themselves. And for other students, those who don't come by themselves, or we have a system that we follow up with the company and we give the list of the students for internship. And various companies, they invite our students in groups to perform these internships. So from when we start, so 3rd semester is the initial phase, and till when we come, you can take till 7th sem, 8th sem, because 8th sem they will be busy with the projects and all. So we try to complete this by 7th sem.
Thank you, sir.